I'm going to show you how I've been using Claude, and specifically their design tool, Claude Design, to explore and brainstorm on visual assets like logos, even 3D objects. I last used it about a month ago with my son to build 3D objects for a game that we were experimenting with, and that was pretty cool. I was very mesmerized, and so I thought, wait a minute, if it can do this, let me try to use this for logos. Up to now, I've been using Canva. I love how easy it is. Canva is a beautiful app that I think truly democratizes design. Obviously, there's some problems with that. And I mean a specific type of design. I'm not talking about capital D design. Anyway, before Canva, I was using Figma. Before Figma, Sketch. Before Sketch, I don't know what, right? And then at some point, Illustrator, and before Illustrator, Photoshop. And here we are in the continual story of disruption and innovation. And I'm here to explore, and I've been exploring and using Claude. And I think it's pretty seamless. I love how I can just set guardrails, give it some instructions, give my thoughts in a certain, there's going to be better ways of even like giving it input and letting it run. So I just love the output. I love that it was brainstorming different directions, and I weighed in and I told it, hey, I like this, I like this one, I don't like this one. It did a second round of exploration, and I told it, okay, I don't think I like this, but I like this one. And long story short, it took the two that I loved and it explored those in a final round. And then what I really, really enjoyed is this part here where I was like, okay, I want to take this and I want to implement this into my app. And the app that I'm implementing is this app called Bywall. I built this last year to solve my own problem, and I realized that it was actually solving other people's problems. And so I actually have usage since late last year on this app. People from different parts of the world are using this to skip these horrible experiences that we all run into on the web, where you're trying to get information and then you run into some kind of wall, a paywall, an add a wall, a different kind of wall. But there is a more ethical way of kind of deciding if you want to cross that wall, if you want to climb that wall. So this is why I built this app, and we have an extension that also has some usage. Long story short, I love what I saw this when Claude Design just produced this whole thing without me prompting too much. As I was getting to the final asset that I'm plugging into the website, I just fell in love with this. I'm like, oh my God, this is fantastic. I know the consequences of having AI become this good, but it's inevitable. But I'm loving it, to be honest. And I just want to share that. And the things you can do today are magical.